with this whole coronavirus thing going around, I thought it would be a perfect time to start a new project. So we have a bow that we're going to be building. So far, we've got a fiberglass drywall tape. Shout out to the guy that built this one. I'm actually following his exact design. Probably not exact, because he's an actual bowyer, and I'm just a DIYer. But his channel is pretty legit, and he pretty much shows you how to do all kinds of Kramer Amos. This is just a standard piece of poplar with drywall tape as a backing, and we've already got our handle section glued on, and so I'm basically going to start taking wood off. Should have bought a tall electric tripod. Anyway, so we have this area all sanded down. That light is terrible. We got this guy all sanded down. We'll start working on the handle, and then we'll start the tillering process once I have the handles rough shape. Sorry y'all, so my camera died. But during the time that my camera was dead and I didn't get any video footage, I'll catch you up. So we made 2 notches. I did them just with a square up against it. That way they're nice and even. Put a little nice accent up there. Got my handle all squared away. I'm hoping it's not too thin, but I think it looks pretty cool. And then we got the other side, and I left this side flat. That way you know it's the bottom, which obviously there's an arrow notch here, so that'll be the bottom. But hopefully everything works out. Okay. We got it sitting at 72 inches, and got it all sanded down, ready to go. And I am going to start the tillering process. Hopefully I don't get struck by lightning, but we'll see. If I do, this bow's gonna have a cool design on it. underneath it. I've been taking my planer and shaving off small sections on the underside of my bow. We got the backing done, sanded it down, shaped it. I started the tillering process yesterday and started doing it inside because it started raining on me. Yeah, I started tillering after I built the tree, brought it inside because it was raining, and during that process, then while I was tillering it, I pulled a little too far, a little too soon, and we did have a small hairline fracture on right next to the handle where the grain pattern kind of runs off the side of the board. So, I mean, it's not the best wood to make a bow with. We already knew that. So I actually ended up wrapping the handle with a micarta wrap, and me personally, I think it kind of looks like shit. Let's see if you can see it. Oh, come on. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Could definitely look better. But this is the first one, so, you know, that's the whole point of DIYing. But, hopefully, that holds the crack. I did stress it a little bit to pull the crack apart, and basically injected some wood glue into there. Let it dry, came back later, did the micarta wrap around the whole thing. I put 3 layers around the whole thing. It didn't crack all the way through. It was just off to the side. So I'm hoping that the bow will still function, you know, well-ish, I guess. But we'll see. It could snap while we're tillering it right now. I think it's going to have about a 28-inch draw with at least 50 pounds, maybe more if I can pull it off, maybe more. So we'll see. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pull this a couple more times. We'll get you set up outside and take a shot.